In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on a Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a playable YouTube, Vimeo, or other supported video right inside your page so teammates can watch without leaving Confluence. First, open the Confluence page where you want the video to appear. Make sure you have permission to change the page. If you can see an edit button, you're good to go. It can help to plan where you want the video to live, near an introduction, under a heading, or alongside related content, so it fits naturally into the page. Click Edit to switch into the editor. You'll see your page content in an editable layout with the text cursor. You can move to the exact spot where the video should be inserted. Leave a blank line if you want extra breathing room around the embed. That makes it easier to select and adjust later. Next, copy the video link from your source. On YouTube or Vimeo, you can grab it from the browser's address bar or the share option. You don't need an embed code, just the regular URL works best. If you have a shortened link, that's usually fine, but the full link tends to be the most reliable. Now paste the video link directly into the Confluence page at your cursor. Keep it simple, just paste and pause. Confluence will detect supported links and start turning them into a playable preview. Give Confluence a moment to generate the video preview or embed. You'll typically see a small loading animation followed by a thumbnail with a play button. If it stays as a plain link for a second, that's normal. Just wait briefly. Once the preview shows up, you can click it to confirm it's recognized. If the video looks too large or too small, resize it to fit your layout. Select the video and drag the corner handles to adjust its width. You can also change alignment, left, center, or right, so it works with surrounding text or images. If you're organizing a longer page, consider placing the video near a heading and adding a short caption to explain why it's there. When you're happy with the placement, publish the page. After it reloads, press play to test that the video starts and the preview behaves as expected. A quick test ensures your viewers will have a smooth experience. That's it. You've embedded a video in Confluence. Keep this workflow in mind anytime you want to add rich media to your documentation, announcements, or training pages.